Okay, Tom. Hey, welcome to Cowboy Cajun Cowboy Cooking with B Mac and Gary. Because today we're going to do something a little different. We're cooking crawfish. Now I know you're wondering, hey, how can a Texan know how to cook crawfish? Well, y'all don't know it, but my wife is Cajun, so if y'all get a chance to marry a Cajun girl, well, go ahead and pass on that. But anyway, so that's where I get my bona fides. But this is Gary's recipe we're going to do, and of course, when we cook crawfish, we start with the crawfish. So we're sitting there cleaning them now. And then, Gary, you got anything to add? What are you going to do when we finish cleaning these crawfish?
Well, once we clean them, then we're going to drop them in. But we're still got the water coming up to a boil over here. Y'all might can hear it on our microphones. But I am a little concerned that you just insulted Cajuns everywhere, and we might lose viewership.
Just Cajun women.
Just Cajun women, okay.
All right. Yeah, because they're hotter than the cayenne pepper. So we're gonna finish cleaning these things, and we'll come back and we'll show you what we're gonna do with them. So you guys stay tuned.
All right, everybody, welcome back. So what we have here is we filled our pot half full of water, and I've got the crawfish seasoning in there. It's a crab boil, just a normal crab boil. We also typically put lemons in there. We forgot to buy the lemons, so we did have some lemon juice. Put some lemon juice in there. So now that it's boiling, we're going to add our vegetables. So we've got mushrooms, we've got sausage, we've got onions, we've got garlic, and we've got cauliflower and potatoes. So I'm going to drop those in now, and we're going to let these boil for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, we're going to come back and dump our crawfish in. So here we go. Putting the lid on. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, everybody. So the vegetables have been boiling for 10 minutes. It's time to throw in the crawdads. If you look squeamish, look away. But we're going to throw these in, and they're going to boil for another 5. Had one try to escape. Oh, there's another one escaping. Get them escaping. All right, 5 more minutes. I just got to tell you, we're at Uncle Jimmy's house today. So hopefully you'll see Uncle Jimmy later. I know y'all prefer to see him more than you prefer to see us. So Uncle Jimmy's around here somewhere. Maybe we'll get him in front of the camera later. We'll be back. All right, folks, it's been 5 minutes. Crawfish have been boiling. Now it's time to turn it off. Man, that sure sounds a lot better. And at the last step, we're going to throw in these corn. Now, this corn is frozen. And the reason it's frozen is because we want the cooking process to stop. So in goes the corn. And we're going to let these crawfish soak for 20 to 30 minutes to absorb all those seasonings. After that, it'll be time to eat.
When I try to pinch him off, I just get little tidbits.
There we go. What do you think about it, Uncle Jimmy?
I believe it's going to be worked out all right.